Hey guys, here's my BMW E36 guys. I got 215-45 R18s on the front guys. Look how that looks, in case you're wondering. And no, nothing rubs, everything works good. The rims are 18 by 8 with a 6-inch back spacing. That's what I got on the front. Looks good, doesn't rub. Check it out, very, very nice. And on the back guys, in case you're wondering, let's go check out the back. On the back, I got 225-45 R18s. So they are wider on the back. How cool is that? But the rims on the back are 18 by 9 rims with a 7-inch back spacing, and that totally works. So the back ones are an inch wider, but they don't stick out an inch more than the front ones. They're actually the same because the back spacing, so they're basically wider on the inside, see, which looks really cool from the back. They're really, really wide. So that is what that looks like guys. And I have no suspension modifications at all. Nothing rubs. I didn't tub my fenders or nothing or bend anything. Everything is stock. I think that's a really, really nice look with 18-inch wheels guys. And also, if you want to watch a whole series on restoring this thing, click on the link guys. I have everything: interior, manual swap, engine stuff, suspension stuff, alignment, you name it guys. These awesome depot headlights. Subscribe and click on the link.